the handle, it's coming along quite nicely, it fits anyway. Worst case, I'll just glue the cap back on once it's on the vise, and it just won't be removable. But I'm quite happy with that. The next woodworking project is going to be a request from my mum, and her endless requests. She wants a side table for her, is it a side table? For her sofa, to put coffee mugs and stuff on. So I'm going to try and just make it out of this lump of old jarrah that's lying around in the garden. We'll see how we go. 29.5. I think we've got more chance of getting a decent wedge out of it, haven't we? As long as I cut on the other side.
Yeah.
What about there?
Yeah.
Needless to say, after a fair amount of effort, managed to get a nice slab off it, but we have a crack running through the middle. I was hoping that end crack would just be superficial, but no, it runs all the way through. So we'll clean it up, see, maybe we'll embrace doing some form of epoxy fill, just as something else to try, or just good old Timbermate, fill it up. But we'll see. Certainly if I'm going to do this more going forward, I'm going to need some form of chainsaw sled to keep the blade straight, and just pass along the log. It was wildly ambitious to think I could do it by eye, so I made a bit of a mess of it.
Do you want the vacuum on here?
Yeah, I guess so. The edge that was lying on the ground was obviously rotted away somewhat. I had hoped to do a kind of live edge part, because the bark looked a nice contrast with the red of the jarrah, but I think this is going to have to be taken back all the way to the jarrah.